Hi everyone, welcome to Gabi's Kitchen. Today I'm going to make one of my favorite banchan called 멸치볶음, tiny little anchovies. There are different sizes of anchovies, but today I'm going to use the tiniest anchovies. We call it 잔멸치. First of all, we need 60 grams of anchovies. And then I have a quarter cup of peanuts. This is optional. If you have a peanut allergies or you don't like peanuts, you can use almond or walnuts instead. Or you can just skip it. 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil and 3 tablespoons of soy sauce and 3 tablespoons of mirin and 3 tablespoons of honey or 물엿 and 4 tablespoons of water. Lastly, you need 2 tablespoons of sugar. We are going to start with pan frying these anchovies to get the moisture out of the fish because we want this to be very crunchy. Put all the anchovies on the frying pan over medium heat. When the anchovies become brown color, throw the peanuts in. And then stir fry for about 30 seconds. I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil on a frying pan. Bring it down to a low heat. Keep on stir frying them for about another minute. When you put the vegetable oil, that's the time when the anchovies become crunch. Turn off the heat and then we are going to add all the ingredients in. Bring it up to a medium heat. Stir fry them for about 3 minutes. Looks like it is done, so I'm going to turn off the heat. Let me taste it. It's really crunchy and savory and sweet. I wish you guys enjoyed this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Share the video with your friends. Thank you so much for watching the video. Then we will see you next time. Bye!